Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today on Whit Monday. Yes, we have no newspaper, so I've promised you to solve the rest of the puzzles of the weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, May the 18th, May the 19th, 2024. We have here in this puzzle page two puzzles left in the puzzle page, and in the additional, we have here three puzzles left: the letter Sudoku, the two stars, and the tectonic. All right, let me start with the first one, the two stars Sudoku. Two stars Sudoku number 8, 5, 6, 7. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 30. Wow. 31, 32, 33, 44, 34, 35, 36. 36 printed digits. Well. Cannot be a 2 stars. Should be a 0 stars. 0 stars puzzle. Need 14, 30 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 2 stars for 2 stars puzzle. I need 15 to 20 minutes. We'll see if this is a 0 star or 2 stars puzzle. I think it's a 0 stars, but who knows? All right, so let's get started. How about the number? There's a lot of 1, yeah. How about a 1 in this column? 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 1, I should be there. Then 1 in this row, first row, 1 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the first column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so the third column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, okay, 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in first column. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see.
Why?
Digit number 1, number 1. Let me see. 3. 3. 3 there. 3 here. Okay. We have a 3 in this row, last row. 3 in a row, both. So that row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3. 3. Need a 3 there. In this row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 in the third column, no 3 there. Here can be a 3. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. So the 3 in the first row could be here, could be there. We have 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column. So the column 3, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 3. How about the 8 in this column, last column, 8 in that column. So the column 3, the only place left for the 8 should be 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in a row above. So on that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 8. Alright. Okay. And now, how about the 9? 9 in this column, 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next on the last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, okay. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row, so the first row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in third, last row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 9. 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row, so no row above, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next, so in that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. We have all the 5s, and all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 5. Number 5. Alright. How about the number 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place left, third row. The only place left for 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in the first column. Yep. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and 4 goes there. Yes. 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so no row between. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square from the store. The only 2 places left for the 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing, 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 2. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. We have a 4 in the first column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 4 in the middle row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And the final, and the 2 numbers left in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4, the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here and the 4 goes there. One number left in the middle row for in the third row for number 1. The 2, the 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here and the 4 goes there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And the last 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. 10 minutes. Well, told you, should be a 0 stars. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.